Hi guys, so today I am waxing my eyebrows. So basically अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है पार्लर जाने के लिए salon जाने के लिए you can do this at home. So I'm taking upper lip waxing strip. I'm cutting it into different sections. फिर हर एक section को लेके I am parting it and I am using it on my brows. So basically you can see कि मेरे brows के बाहर काफ़ी extra बाल हैं. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna peel them off by stretching my skin. ऊपर वाली स्किन के लिए ज़रूरत नहीं होती है because it's already taut, but under over your eyelid it's necessary to stretch your skin when you're pulling the strip off. So basically I like very natural brows, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा effort नहीं कर रही हूँ to make them into a fine line. Otherwise if you like precise brows with fine lines, then what you can do is you can line your brows with eyebrow pencil, or you can line them with a lip liner of a different color, just red, and you can just peel them off. Then you'll get better precision. But I like my brows naturally, so yes, here it is. And whatever remaining strips, you can use them to finish it off. And जो बाल रह जाते हैं, you can use your plucker, your normal plucker, to pluck those off. So basically अभी I'm done with both the eyebrows, and center में I'm taking the hair off, and now I'm combing my hair in the opposite direction so that जितने भी extra बाल हैं I can cut them off with my scissor. So here you can see I'm doing very naturally because I don't like to them to be really defined. I just like them to be natural. So now I'm combing them downwards with my spoolie, and then I'll just cut them. So you can see I'm doing the same for both my brows, and I'm done now, and combing it downwards, cutting it off. So basically now I'll just comb them off, and I'm ready to go to any party without going to the salon for my brows, just waxing them at home. I hope you like them. So that's all. Quick and easy, simple. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.